Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, what's new in Python? What is the latest from previous versions of the Python? The latest version of Python 3 plus is releasing nowadays. We'll see what are new upcoming trending which are available in Python latest technology. We'll see in the video session. Watch it.
In this session, we are going to be discussing about something what's new in Python and the beginners and freshers who are entering into the Python language, which version they need to choose to work on Python language. See now here, this is the course completely for Python from scratch. We have prepared and designed for this course, and choosing Python version, that is the latest version, is going on. It's in a trending one. It's in a Python 3 plus. And choosing the version of the Python 2 and 3 is to be very difficult decision for newcomers. And the Python, the programming language, which the Python freshers who are going to be deciding, is a pretty challenge. However, in my suggestion, I'll tell you to take in advantages of latest Python course. You can learn and choose the Python always. And the difficulty means the part why I have introduced here means many companies and still they had legacy Python 2 version code implemented and be maintained the code standards for the current project developments. Once they will expect you from what is the functionalities which are available in Python 2 as well. In this course, we are covered so many parts from Python 2 to Python 3, and some explanation will be there for deprecated methods as well. All right, and see now the course is purely focusing to reach the latest Python 3 and plus version. Latest till the course is prepared till date, and the versions were similar enough that it was easy to learn both simultaneously. Once you have learned Python 3 language and the syntaxes and the functionality of the Python 3, it's a very easy and it's very simple to learn and grasp the power of Python 2 what it's having. Why? Because this is the Python 3 version which is already available, complete the structure of Python 2, and in addition new features and functionality which will be involved and invoked in the latest versions of Python 3 as well. Software packages, most of the packages will comes like that only. Most of the functionalities which are available in the successful functionalities which are available in the previous version, that will be invoked to the coming to the next version of our latest versions and carry forward those things, and some any updated versions, if it's a new feature as they are releasing in the latest version, that particular feature they will be deprecated in the new version, and they may be invented for the new feature. They can expand them, and most of the major external packages has been updated in support of Python 3 plus. That is a major advantage in learning 3, and we majorly focusing latest version of Python 3 plus version for all codes and programs and exercises as well. We are going to give you. Once you know the Python, it's very easy to jump start about Python 2 syntaxing and writing the code and understanding of the Python 2 developed code and as well. And Python 3 is the latest and the feature of Python which is having in nowadays. Well, we will start with the Python installation in the next session, with the starting initiation of the basic commands what you want to know to initiate the setup, and all we'll have in a session. Hope you understand.
Thanks for watching this session. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, see the description below of my contact details are there. Thank you.